This is Olight's newest Oclip, the Oclip Pro S. So let's get it out of the box and show you what it can do.
Starting with UV mode, which is really good for checking counterfeit banknotes. There's a low mode and a high mode. Then we have our white light setting, which has 5 different brightness settings: low, medium, high, and turbo up to 600 lumens. Then you've got red light, green light, and blue light. Now each one has a high and a low. The light also has a variety of flashing modes, including fast strobe and slow beacon, which goes off every 5 seconds for signaling. Then we also have red flashing mode, as well as red, green, blue flashing, and red, green, blue scrolling. To access flashing modes, just select the white light setting and triple tap for strobe. From the on position, triple tap again, and that gets you into beacon mode, which goes off every 5 seconds. Now in red, green, blue mode, double tap to get into your red flashing from the off position. At any time, you can triple tap to enter RGB flashing, and then triple tap again for RGB scrolling.
So there you go, an unboxing and quick introduction of the brand new Olight Oclip Pro S with its 5-in-1 lighting system. It's easy to control rotary switch and those awesome color modes and color flashing modes. You can get it in black with gold accents, as you see here, or this really cool orange edition. Available now on Amazon and Olight.com.